satana ba aobloe. Novio miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Ao miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Novio miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe.
Yo, akpe, miawezo.
Yo,
Gamisu.
Miami Srɔ Eʋegbe.
Me va mi Srɔ Eʋegbe. Gamisu. Indi indo fiai afisha fi miele.
Mashama, mi va mi Srɔ Eʋegbe. Mi va mi Srɔ mi adegbe Eʋegbe.
Just come on in. Akpena me.
Ne mi yi ŋlɔ ga mi aƒe nuŋlɔ ni alphabeto me de no ta mi ŋlɔ ne ewe. Ake eʋe. Ta.
I want I'm a how do you say it? I'm a shaman. I won't say I'm a shaman because it's not everyone. But I'm a here gonna ever obosum because it wasn't like that. Even in our associations, most of us were saying Ewe, association of, Ewe association, Ewe, like if you feel I'm a shaman, Blom.
Association.
The ver is what I'm stressing. That everybody's trying to say the ver.
Nemiega va troire ngonglo jeshi ugboko. Miega nmo kata hegevi. O meshama na kwebe ho. Hula miashi. Na ko ako hu hu azu ho. Nya degbe nyama.
Okay.
Agba. Nijo tao ge mialagba.
Oh well, Medeku that very well I wanna be I'm more just sure via there. If for Sarah say I wanna be once in a new hitter. Medeku my introduce the kuya.
Anya a full Cyrus, anya for Benquenya, Senyo. Mayaba Amareshara Jashimla Moyaji, because Midja and Nuyago Monoy Hafi, Kaka Ame Comunia Mo, Anima, Movana, Kaka Vifia, Agbeshagbe, Allo Memory, some memory, Monafia, the Yan of a best room that Anya Cyrus here. And you put a Tami Male, a Moaji, Tananya Boba, and Yema, Akbenami, Yawis all.
The recanto miepo.
Okay. That very easy.
Mie dois na mikata, mie ga dois ka abale ka mie cho siana gbo. Oh, siana nyako grome miele. Ta fifia mie jo siana gbo vie. Mie ga tere mie ponu sosrum. Mie asrum mie degbe. Ta miaselao, nukpɔlawo, kple toɖolawo katã, miva miasrɔ̃ ʋegbe. Egbea, miaƒe nusɔsrɔ̃ yi ge aleke, miaƒo nu tso gbe sia gbe nuzazãwo ŋu. Nu ɖeka eve aɖewo míezãna le míaƒe me wonɔ asitsɔƒe na mí. Ne trɔ leke ko nàɖoe azã, míasrɔ̃ nu ɖeka eve aɖe. Nenye ɖeka ƒe ŋkɔe nete lé ɖe tamea, vevietɔ ame yiwo be yewoasrɔ̃ gbea, yiwo mesem oa, nenye nu ɖeka nete tsɔ le me hã, ke wo hã, egbãtɔ ya nekɔ le me na mí. Ta mie nusrɔ̃ ge gbadzaa ko. Menye mi me nuŋlɔkpe zãgo, míasrɔ̃ nuwo ƒe ŋkɔwo ɖeka ɖeka. Ta míage ɖe aƒe me, míakpɔ be nu kawoe le míaƒe aƒewo me hã. Ta dana mi nye kɔ nakpɔ gbɔwɔ fi ma ɖa, nu kawoe le gbɔwɔ fi ma. Gbe sia gbe nuzazãwo.
No li ya gake ale yine gbe be míage ɖe aƒe mea, ko míanɔ tsia. Ɖeku.
Na xɔme dzrɔ ɖo na tsia me. Ta nuke míekɔ ga ne tsia me.
Ele asi wo, ɖeku na kɔtɔ wo nam. Kɔtɔ wa fia. Tɔwa ɖe.
Makotɔ nya fia o.
Ɖeku ye. Mena be nya ele
ɖeka. Yɔ aƒemenu ɖeka. Nka. Kplu. Kplu. Nka. Mi katã miagagblea ke kplu.
Klu.
Kplu.
Klu.
Pu. O. U. Kplu.
Klu.
Enye tsinonu. Mi ke miezãna nɔ tsi le me. Abe xeyi ene. Tame sia me ne kpɔ gbɔ ne ɖe lia nakɔe vɛ. Kplu. Eya seƒoƒoviwo hã le dzi. Kplu.
Ne míage ɖe aƒea me koa, ekɔ kplu.
Ke kutsi. Ke tututu. Ta kplu alo tsinonu. Míegazãna tre hã, tre koe mele gbɔnye afi o, ne menyɔ ne mehe hã ɖe. Ta kplu. Míezã kplu. Ta fifia dana mi makpɔ kplɔ ɖa. Kplu.
Ele be matso. Matso, me kuku me gbɔna.
Kudu nakɔ kplu vɛ. Ta míehiã ne kplu. Míezãnɛ míenɔ tsi, míekɔe kua tsi. Haya ega yevutɔe ma. Kplu. Ye ma kplu. Okay. Enyo ŋutɔ adzagba. Ke míagayi dzi, míagayɔ nu bubu. Míagayɔ nu bubu. Kefia be ne míeva nuɖugea, nu yiwo tɔgbi míezãna kɔ ɖua nua, míayɔ ɖeka eve aɖewo. Ke ne míeyɔ kplu ɖe, nuka hã míagatã zã?
Awɔna be le nuɖuɖu me agba hã, kɔna agba me le asiwòa me te.
Agba le nyage ŋutɔ le afo.
Agba.
Ta agba le nyage.
Medzi be ma de gɔme le English me vɛ, because ame ɖewo lia. O se ʋegbe nenema ta mi ʋegbe do ra ma se gɔme ta mana summary vi aɖe. So today what we are learning, we know some people, if you are speaking the English or you are speaking only Eʋe, they won't understand very well. So we are trying to learn about household items that we use in the house. So we started with the cup, which is plural. And the second one we're going to look at is the plate. So there are other things that we use like spoon, gachi. So those are the things we are learning today, the things we use in the house. So our belief is that as we learn these things, you'll be able to relate with them and understand them. And if at the end you are able to be able to mention one or two in Eʋe, that's a great achievement. So that's what we're doing today. Thank you.
Akbar, thank you very much. So things around our dining table or in the house, everyday use or our daily use items. Yeah. Ta mi gavagbo over agba. Agba ha ale vo. Agba gali, agba vili, agba gobili, agba gbadzeli, agba oli vo. Abale ke kplu hã li vovovo ne. Ta miakpɔba nuɖugba kawo miata zã le miaƒe nuɖui. Miekpo mɔluvi aɖe, kpo tadivi aɖe, ekpo koklo le ɖeka da ɖe edzi ɖi agba ke miazã. Ta agba eɖewo le afi ya. Le kpɔ ɖe me agba mi katã mi gblɔe. Agba. Nuɖugba agba.
Efoseros, wohã le be na gblɔm no, mia katã.
Foseros,
Agba.
agba.
Nyɔkpa agbara.
Agba.
Amen.
Gblenobono gble agba. Mi katã nukpɔlawo, nyaselawo, mi katã
Repeat after us. Repeat after us. Agba. A plate. A dish. Agba. The key thing is to repeat everything we're saying.
Yeah. We have different types. Different types of agba.
So do I repeat it?
Different types of plate. Agba ni yogi. Agba. 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 Olive. Agba. 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 Mi komi afufu ya ekplodechi. Agba.
A deep one. If you that's why we're saying fufu, because a deep one, something with soup or something like that.
Yeah, agba. Ta mieko agba oha. Oli anga toli. Paper toli. Agba oli vovovo. Ta miega jola fima. Ta agba miesro nureka. Afiva agba gbo. Nke miesro gba danami.
Plua.
Anyagba lento. Plu. Agba. Plu. Agba.
Different types of agba. Agba vovovo.
Agba vovovo. Plu. Agba. Okay. Yeah. So vie mi aga ibo sango gbo mi ava. Ta doctor no jajam do nami. Miekpo plu miekpo agba. Vifia na molu ava agba ma alo chijoju ava plu ma alaba miako nana miakui. Ta mi azaga mi ala nyanka. Gati alo gachi. Gati alo gachi. Iha yenye yi.
Gachi. Gachi edwabli.
Bule devia. Bini bana gagbeje kamiasa.
Gachi. Spoon. Gachi.
Yema. Gachi. Gachi. Ta fifia miekpo nu amaton. Aya gachi ha suetoli ne, gantoli ne. Kana mi gantola bo.
Gato. Oh, yeah, miakoda no alo, miakoda.
Gato.
Yes, sir. Sueto ha for tea. Aka mata ko. Why you ji magana?
gato, gachivi, gachigan, ihali, nyezana, gachi. If you miecho, plu, agba, gachi, anu ọmọ tó ẹ máa miẹ sọsọrọ máa fìyà. Yo, gachi gava, gachi ga, aku tu kakuli, alokalami, gachi, taiha, nyama. Tete a miega jo la fima, miega ponu bubura, na miero plon, vevieto, yevo de miele, miero plon no na plon di vovovo, gachia ha nonyi, agba nonyi, plu ha nonyi, gaka nure kaga penare yega nyanuka, yezana he, abana nua sasama na tansi, he ai hali vovovovovo, he ye kodo no angatoli, gatoli, he yenye ta he
interlude.
Ni vinya la fima na glo he
Knife.
he
Hey.
he
That's nice. Nice in your way.
ta he ye ko ga se ye vubolo na akoya oni ta ye vubolo se he adanami hirago aya mi ko ga pe ye vubolo ye vubolo
There are ridges at the bottom. Ridges like that very now I feel mele smooth. How would you say?
Adweleshi.
Yes, adweleshi.
Taya mi koni sa ye vubolo. Donc varo akpe ona mi tre.
Mayam.
Yekpo here jodo fi he. Haya mi ko flianu ganganga iha he. Ta he ha le mi ashi vuvuvu. Anga he ha nonyi he ta miekpo plu miekpo plu miekpo agba miekpo agba miekpo nka gati fifia miekpo he ta anu omene miekpo omene danami alafima Doc avaro
mele afuma yekla mo mie jedom le emoji among lomda fuma ogbagbajem David Doreen ametowo yona lafia afi David Lavina mensa halafia ta bekaraji bamba bubu halafuma akpe na mi bani
Wezo David Lavina echako me mitelo me invited.
Okay.
She's going to be one of our first students.
I see. Welcome. Esther Eʋegbe. Welcome. Okay. Yeah, welcome, David Lavina. Wezo.
She's put herself in my hands to teach her Ever. She and one other person, so that's great.
Yeah. It looks like she has the learning spirit, so she's here. As you can see, we started communicating. I think she was right here on time, so we started
Yes.
starting from the beginning. So we have Davi, Doreen also here. And okay, yo, akpe. Yeah,
Eh,
let's go.
mia ocha mia ba. Bia chomon pokpo ya bro na mia panya salon polo. Pla duazaba. Mie sukua humta mie jiba monova nglonko. Yonto mianko sam devia no yom he. Kulu devia la no godo no yom. Ta devi yom ye bono hegava kaji miakpo. Ta mi be mi ko mia viove. Vevie to devio mi ejire gbeji o mo segbe o. Mi ejibe no srogba no valo.
Yo, akpe.
Okay. Ta miaƒe nu ya ne miewɔa mieda ha dagere kaji ale miekɔ ŋlɔ ge ne ɖeviawo ne mia adawo ɖe hatsotso aɖe me. Menye ɖeviwo ɖeɖe o, ame tsitsiwo maɖo woƒe kpeɖeŋutɔ alo wo srɔ̃ wodzi be no srɔ̃ gbea wonye gbe bubu gblɔlawo mihe wo katã vɛ miasrɔ̃ miade gbe. Nu yiwo nye nu nyunyui aɖewo sia nakɔ vɛ ale bene migatsi gbe fũu ta akpe na mi. Miawoe va dɔ wɔ ge, miawoe wɔm hã. Nu ko srɔ̃ miele miva mi srɔ̃ ƒe gbe. Ke dɔk miaɖi tsa miava.
Ye mia di cha miava. Akpe na mi. Da vero da na mi. Kple efo Gosen. Yo, ke mie gbɔna kpie.
Awo mi gblẽna bosanu be awo vlo nɔvio. Mi gblẽna satana be awo vlo. Nɔvio mi gblẽna bosanu be awo vlo nɔvio. Mi gblẽna satana be awo.
Yo,
All right, ke miegbo.
mie gbɔ.
Okay. Yo. Fifia miagayi dzi. Miesrɔ̃ enua me ne. Miesrɔ̃ kplu, agba, gati, he. Fifia miagayi nana srɔ̃ ge. Aɖe yiɔ miezãna tsinono. Miaƒe tsinono eɖewo nɔna tukpa me. Eɖewo hã le aƒea ele kotokuvi me. Woyɔnɛ be pure water. Gake fia ele atukpa me. Ta miasrɔ̃ atukpa. Atukpa. Atukpa.
Atukpa. Atukpa.
Atukpa. Atukpa. Atukpa. Ehali vovo in different shapes. Different types. Atukpa. Haya ha. Atukpa. Atukpa. Atukpa.
I had one, but I decided not to show that one.
Atukpa. Haya ha. Atukpa. Yeah, atukpa. Like vinyare na glo atukpa.
Atukpa.
Good enough.
Atukpa. Yeah.
That's butter.
Gayoni haba bodiabo. Miezana atukpa. Atukpa. Miezane awu. Ta. Yemye wo lessons vai chan. Miezane bodiabo ha. Oba da fi ha wa gava fi. Miekpo atukpa. Miekpo plu. Miekpo he. miekpo agba. Mie gara kakogaki. Mie la fima. Fifia miako noodles alo kutu. Eme mie remolu ale. Eme mie otadi ale. Ta iha vavage. Kutu. Noodles kutu. Noodles kutu. Enye ntuviale kutu. Alo noodles. Vinyane ble kutu.
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 Say kutu. Kutu.
Yeah.
Kutu. Kutu. Noodles. Ye me mi ramolu ala. Ye me mi water diala. Ye me mi pozo be hala. Kutu. Kutu. Ta kutu miera molu ma miera akplan mia togba mata direm kutu. Kutu. Ta fifia mia ga imagba. Yamajiba mia ngulu no obo.
No the car has sister. No the car sister.
Oh, nyata fa mako mara fia. Ashitutunu. Ashitutunu.
Hello, tutunu. Napkin.
Ashitutunu. Ashitutuvo. Alo ashitutunu. Yenye napkin. Adavana avo. Alo ni. Na mie chovia kama kogavi. Ashitutunu. Okay. Interlude. Docre.
Yo, mie bona pi akpe nami. Lake enwa de mie ogoma sama nya ya oglom mie nkudo ma enwa oje. Mie apa no so wa.
No ngamra no atanami.
Da lake mie don kungi oje ala be da nami ple da veroa. The Obiana Biava Viento, they ask a lot of questions. So get ready for the quiz. So make sure you remember everything.
Sure.
In detail. Because if you know what is napkin, assisted to know, you should know what is tray or calabash. I think they did show that
you
did not have one, they did not have one at home.
Tre.
I think they showed this. Ofi and Heya. A tray, so this is calabash tray earlier. So just giving you some pointers so that when it's quiz time, you don't blame me that I didn't tell you that Dana, me, Davero, and of course Saros.
You haven't taught.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, so Dalavina says, hey. And then can you pronounce? Okay, can you pronounce napkin again?
Asitutunu. Asitutunu. Allo ashitutuvo.
Okay, I'm typing it there. So
and let me add that Ashia, or some people say Ati because of the different dialectal parts of the language. There, Ashitu is it's hands, fingers. That's why you're getting it. That's why it seems so big. But you're going to learn, once you learn about fingers and parts of the body, you see why that word is so. I mean, that little tiny thing has such a big name.
Davina, asitutunu anyarekai. Put all together. It should all come together. Asitutunu. Or I see tutu vo.
Yeah.
It should all come
I'm
together.
sure she got it.
Yeah. Okay. Then
Enyo akpe.
take a little break.
Yeah, that dialogue in about this is helpful. If you have a segoma,
Thank you.
I see two no. So
Yeah.
syllable by syllables. I see
Right.
two
I see
two
tutu.
no.
I see
I
tutu.
see two.
Vo. The vo is cloth.
Yeah, vo is cloth.
Vo is cloth. That's what I'm saying. There are two. Yeah, but you'll get it once you know the parts of the body. Then you, because we tend to use parts of the body to name things, to name the doing verbs.
Yeah.
So that's why it seems like why such a long whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, okay.
We're gonna give you some music and we'll be back.
Okay.
Be back very soon. Yo, nearby.
Señor, oh
I think we run out of items. I don't have extra. Yeah, no problem. I don't have enough of the stuff. I thought it would take us a long time. But
akpe, akpe, yo, ke ele miagbo, anyi nova.
Quero que minha gaidi a balé minha gloma minha sucuvio jim alaba minha weo anya po minha vio yo que minha diregba de uma sagbo no asru minha degba né maregbo na be agbo na vio ba shi a wasagoma ba shi otanshi ta ifon kusro me miela ta nu regba mien poncho a pomanu zazan vevieto la nu du plonchi nu de caro y que miezana na mien luna na ba mi ma cuidare ji ye na nyanu pola alu torula ye na kwea anwire manami na mia akwe akovi ta akpena mi miawe va dog miawe do ha mia yiji miesro nu de caro vai ta miaro nkunu kawo miesro gba danami
agba
miesro agba ko agba dogbe makpo agba
maybe it comes in evanale, right? It comes if I say evana right, okay. So it comes in different shapes and sizes and different types. Agba just means a plate or something that you eat in or do something in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Also, by the way, I guess those who know me, who don't know me, I speak Apprende Eʋe. So, one of those like you who has to learn now. So, if you hear my English going through the Eʋe and even asking how something is said, Don't worry, you will be the same, and before you know it, you understand it, and that's it. So here's another. Agba.
Yeah,
Right?
agba. Agba
Agba,
is another.
koko. How do you know? I mean, koko. I mean, it's deep. How do you say deep?
Agba gobi.
Agba. Okay.
Agba gobi. Alo agba gobo. Gobo.
Okay.
Meaning is deep.
Nyako do nane he
Ano na jogbo ha. Adu amolu ha.
Your house.
Adu bobo ha.
Yeah, everything. And then they come in different, different shapes and colors. This is plastic.
Yeah.
And of course, we also have many disposable. This week I'm a disposable.
Yeah. Paper to.
Yeah.
Akpa. So kuvi niya tonya ganala. Yeah. Ka mi gaiji. Nuka hamye gasron. Yes, right.
Mistro nu yabe atukpa yevu be bottle. Na ko atukpa elem ha bale enu agbakun to hon le atukpa li o konu na echi tukpa echi kono na the halia ahatukpa. So we have different kinds of bottles. So we have water bottle, wine bottle, whiskey bottle.
breakable ones, plastic ones.
Yeah.
Plastic you throw away.
Yeah. I have
the wine, wine is also a tupa. Those are when we go to the African market and buy palm oils. That Lavina, I know you know because you eat that food. So you buy the palm oil and all those things, they are in atupa. And yes, they are all in atupa. They are in bottle. Yes.
Atupa. So we have learned atupa. Okay. Boro. Hello, bodiabo. Bodiabo.
Another name is bodiabo.
Another name. Another dialect. Okay. Dan polau nyasalo mi puna na chungwa minglere nuama nagbasama na mi fa. Okay. Nyaga iji. Nuka hamye gasron.
Blue.
Gasro. Blue.
Couple.
Blue. Couple. English party man.
Yes, bro, couple.
Kaka, them le English. Abona no some.
If there's an English part to any vernacular we speak, is because before the white man came, we didn't say it that way. Cup is because they came with instead cup. Blue. That very good blake again. Blue, right? Blue. Yeah. Blue. Okay. That's a real name in our language.
Anya haya. Anya chijoju no tomana coffee amadi.
The difference.
Emma. Haya ha plue. Akanya gayo ni ba konko. Mi gayo ni ba konko.
Konko. Look at our konko.
Uncle Yama.
Okay.
Hey.
It's just a glass. It's a glass. Drinking glass.
Konko. Big your neighbor. Blue ko. Mika mo no nula.
It's just
Blue. No. Blue. Nusha mi kamiezana no na noa. Miawiba blue. Vieto. Oh, we don't know my yaoma. And it in this form is blue. Labrador. Okay. Megasro no bubu ha. Kami gasro.
Gallo. Mewa gallo eh.
Ni manyan ke gallo gojiri.
Asi.
Gafflo.
Mirror of Marco Bunchi.
Asi tutu vo.
Ashi tutu vo. Yeah, ashi tutu vo. Ashi tutu vo.
Yeah.
Yaka, let me remove. Yes, honey. Hello. Ne a nudupa or pedano na darakota.
Napkin.
Ashi tutu vo. Hello, ashi tutu nu. Ashi tutu nu.
Ashitutu vo for that Lavina. Ashitutu vo is like cloth. So it's like a napkin, think about cloth napkin. And then no, when you just say ashitutu no, then it's something you wipe your mouth with. So they all kind of come together.
Atamva fifi mi have ayuka mi kona pork baba kaya ona
Yeah, that's just a tissue, napkin.
Ta hamo asitutu nu ko nya na tutu ko na kwa puga. Okay. Nka ha mi ga so ka je mi ga ronku.
Ludaze.
Yes, no does.
Lokutu.
Kutu.
Ephosaurus. Something you said, whatever you said, is ze.
Kutu. No, anye tong bedo maleta.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna.
Kutu. Nami azonu aje amogbe bu ho toro.
Oh,
kutu. Kutu, kutuga. Kutu. Luraz,
Ephosaurus, mama via enu akpama.
Okay.
Pot.
Kutu.
Kutu. Yeah.
Kutu.
Very good.
Yecho afi ma mi ga so no bubu ha. Nka je mi ga ronku.
Mi akpolisa be amade gbona ne ha. Mi to biara ko. Yeah. Calabash, yeah. Yeneglo plu penya calabash amenya small ya. Okay.
No. Tre. Hello, tre.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, mi ga so nu daka mi ga ngulebo.
Okay, ma. Gachia. Okay, ma, no more.
Gachi. Hello, gachi.
Different ones, different sizes, different styles.
Me gachi. Gachi vi. Gachi ga.
Gachi lolo.
Afi chi hali. Nye gachi perform boom. Okay. Me blow hey. Me blow hey. Me fuve hey. Hey.
Kedabero. Obialo. Here. Type, yeah, this is for the table, You've opened setup table. Yeah. Near corner description, I beg whether I'm sure.
Can you do here on ya?
Then they will know.
Yamada now. No, shamo. Oh, we Nangloba yi no saga of asa shivi no ta. Oh, Yamadana, Tonico, Sasa, Quenya Nudu, Ikabi alone. vivi mola plonge. Mara na lama sakata zanga afia siota. E ka aba hento i ke miezana la jodofia jodofi he wo odana yana fam kwesio. E ifa suito miezana kotrofa tripla nubu ha. O hanye. Okay. Anyun to miejagba aga poto nano miagai. Aya hano plonji ne mieva nuduga. Oye miene banka gaflu. Osiris. Miene ba gaflu. Yevuba malako yoni.
Yevuba malako yoni.
Manyolo.
I know something you don't know, never.
Yeah. Gaflu.
It's a fork.
Fork. Yeah, ikamye koduna nui. Ipanga tohali. Afi gato hali. Okay, I think I have it. Angatonyai. Yeah. Angatonyai. Gaflu. Yeah, I think we done.
Let me see. No, I can't remember.
Okay. Mako de kwen magloba hafina yevu na va shigera nyapo konoma ashie mikodu na nui. Nemi na akula ruga ashi kula dechi akere kakele tami niwa aba gachi kula gachi a miezana kodu na nu kakeye yevu wanye yameje gomonozam kake miko funa dechi ya miko kuna dechi ya gantole miko kuna dechi miko funa dechi ta namanya na mawa amarata agbrinyana. What I'm saying is before our contact with our Europeans, we used to eat with our hands, whether it's rice, whether it's banku, akbele, we just eat with our hands. So we didn't used to eat with spoon.
Yeah. Ala nanama ba afi yevuna va ama ibonyi gbajia. Nyatobio ha onya nuyokodo no eta nkole myashiba chi. Ozana chi. Kai na yevu over tromoni onya ga eta ozunga ga chi. Ala banka aya over we plaga. Ta ozana chi ko wona nu ika wo we pla achi. Oko wona nu ta. Yo hono sasama afi yevu oko utove. Ta inagble nanama magblom. Mia no for ba yevu ba spoon. Mia ha mia ba mia pashi bidea yenya spoon. SPOON spoon. Ta mia pashi aba mayibo na mia ha mia to mia pagachia yenya ya mia to biosa na afi mia ha mia ba manya mia order dejo na po na dogo mato aba manya mayoka mia fagbala yibo ya lo odunanu aba mia pepepe ozana shi na nama na mia yita paro mia dogwa mia obrona bana za shi aye na vivisaga na nududua ha mia to ha mia kpone bana za shi a mia hato vovo na azan yevuto ta nuko srome miela agba
Makona padanchi ekponu here. Allez.
Akplerachi.
I said, yo, a bomb abe, a plan, dachi, gakea, our forefathers, forebears. Oza achi. Many necessarily be achiko. Oko dananuri. Instead of this.
Yeah.
Instead of this,
Yeah.
they use that. And then, you know, the little nudges here, that's just for that's just for the new thing, like, you know, making bankun and akple and all that. But these are the same thing. They use wood, just like, you know, that's what we use.
Yeah.
To serve food. Instead of spoons, we use wood.
Yo, akpe na mi. Alaba mi ganglo miya mama oba. Miya tog biyo kwa. Miya mama okle miya tog biyo.
Tobio.
Ya mi mauza ma. Ta miya po
Achi.
achi ya oko dunangwa yela pia. So this is the spoon. And actually this is actually better than the other ones that we have. Yeah, these are better.
Free.
Yeah, these are better biodegradable materials compared to all the things that we have now, the plastics and other things like that. Instead of the spoon. So this is actually the original spoon. The one made with metal.
Yeah. Tanya duduk po. Inye ba mukaw miya Srɔ ba?
Srɔ gaflu. Yeah, gaflu, which is pork. Gachi, which is spoon. No dazel, which is pot. Asitutuvo, which is napkin.
Yeah.
Atupa, which is border. Yes, wrong. Agba, which is like a bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna have a correct balance.
I'm over it. Dana minu yang kori.
Okay, well, Eka. Oh, blue. Oh no, that's not the one. No, that's not the one.
Yeah, you could man.
This is the one. Gaka. Well, I guess you have a handle on it, and then of course, Yivuto. Shijoji tea no.
Shijoji no to Hey, Ankori.
Nimeno akpamo. Here, Milana share. Nimeno akpamo. Akwa. Echa, mekbombe that ferro be many o gake. But I was taught growing up in Jelukopa is Akwa be ye had be fifia.
Why? La mia pon fofoma. Nyagba odona vuvu. Gake na vabe ya yo non tonko ko va vieto la ngongoloma ala vuvu. Dokolaba le miapa English gba gbogloma. Oba I go na. Well, I'm going to. Kakama moke ba I'm gonna do. I'm going ta nanama ko lemia dagbama. Alaba nano lia ogboglo le vuvu. Nana ava yoga. Amako.
I'm a conya to be car Eʋegbe a onglo la balema enyanglo.
Eh.
Kake Eʋegbe a dumeli. Afi bubu gali tong.
Yeah.
Kake ko ha o dano li oyo ne different. Kake le engonglo ma onglo na anglo.
La porama. La porama. Ni a miene ba aida. Amaroya ne ba aya. Ala vuvuvu. Ta den ba chofi pa nyaglomol alo dwi maton kuma le oyoge. Ta aida. Aida. Emi yona mia.
Okay. Ye mami eglo. Afi ye pove egbere shiada. Kaya oglona. Ple alonglone ato. Monoglombe. Texas toglona be y'all. All of you. Gake. If you are neng mangloma mangloga nanama. Alabe amo yonang. So people call things in different ways. But there's a standard way of doing that. So when the language was written, young Eʋegbe, oko ni vovovo chotafel kopo fuye. Taite abe stick. The stick is called le Anglo. In Anglo they say achi. But the matoglo nabe ati. Okay, the written one is ati. So if you go to an exam and you want to write stick and you say achi, A-T-S-I, that is wrong. It has to be A-T-I.
Yeah.
So you have the local way of saying it, and then you have the standardized way, which is made by taking that from different places and putting them together. Okay.
Okay, so today things around the house, especially around our dining table, we learn few things in our language of things like cup, blue, plate, agba, knife, he, fork, gaflo, bottle, atupa, and what else? Comb, aida, calabash, tre, he, knife, spoon, gachi, or gati. So these few items, I think we can practice them, and next time we come, we speak our language. Thank you.
Thank you.
Akpanami. Sukuvio akpanami miawewe onyo akpanami danami. Osiris. Binyaba awe togboneba kpechika hoga aja agbanto.
Yo, akpe davero danami. Yapo saros. Danami marokiji.
O me bana nyase hade.
Yo.
Bye bye to
Kind. Yo. No nya miaga gle miaga na wanya ba no nanko na miapa linka vaga na wonglonko na anwo soso.
Me a post. Okay. Fifia, we are ready. We are ready to start a beginner's class. So, we have a flyer that will be coming out all the week. We'll send it out. and also post it in various forums. And if you want to be a part of it, you what's the word? You register on that form. Like this lady that we had here, that Lavina, she has registered. I know, she told me yesterday. So be looking out for it. And the beginners class would start the beginning of November. But the rest of this month, we are going to dedicate it to getting the students who are interested, young and old. We can all be in the beginners class. It's just different. Do you have something to add, my companions?
That's it.
Yeah, Alabama. Yeah, so the form is right here. So I just pasted the form into the comment section. It's here. If you click on it, you'll be able to register. Na ekashi etoshi ni magia ngonglo make mafia leta fuma adore tepe ike na nglonko bale danami egblene alebe macho miacho monko kwa da pena miagata be mi dore mianchi egba masham da lavina mensa da lavina mensa elafia egba kle David Doreen amatoyona kle amabubu kata ikemo englong nana kerafia mi da pena mi be mi dore mianchi efia alobe mi da pena miafe agbanlajiglau da nami da vero fosaros de do gata mi leta alobe obe enyanyu adeva nyichoa na mi donkujia miafe nufiala gan cho ocho University of Education Winneba Eʋegbe fiapa la fuma o eglona mi be yo pepede ngware jim na ega la be de vio no la sukua de omoten sukua ngumo la be gamali okohe efel ta flache alebe ta obia bele ke mi akpede yo nchi ha alebe ko ne mi don kujia mi ko be amade no afia nye mi apenu pola de ikenye Dr. Forgive avogbedo ko englora fia be ne mia abu mia chadang mia kweda beleke mia awe ha alebe ta nyeklumi va pon ko ebe ya nami dollar akpereka akoje gome ta mi da pene Dr. Forgive avogbedo enami akpereka dollar akpereka University of Education Winneba. So let's thank Dr. Forgive Avogbedo. For those who don't understand Ewe, let me just translate. So Dr. Forgive Avogbedo, she is giving $1,000 to the University of Education Winneba, the Ewe department. Yeah, for that work, but we still need more contributions.
Wait, you said for that work. What work? You didn't explain that.
Oh yeah, for the teaching. So as I mentioned at the beginning, I think I mentioned it in Ewe. There are students.
The problems.
Yeah, there are students who need help. What's happening is that is the only place in Ghana where teachers of Ewe are trained, and so it's very important to maintain that department, because if there are no teachers of the language, then no one will be able to learn the language. These are professionals. However, there is a problem, and the problem is that some of the students drop out because they are unable to pay the fees. and that is a big challenge for the department. So Dr. Dogbe, who comes here regularly, he has been footing some of these bills himself. So Dr. Eʋegbe, forgive Eʋegbe, she saw the show the last time, and then she said she would think about how to help. So through this, she got back to me and she said that she's going to give us $1,000 for us to start this. So we need other folks to contribute towards this effort. So during our next coming show, we'll talk about this in more detail, so that folks can actually help. We also discuss how to make this sustainable, because it's important. This is not a one-time thing. There should be a pipeline. We should have a strategy in place. So I think it's up to all of us to work together to see how to do this, because as I always say, the blood of any nation or any people is the language. And once the language disappears, the culture and everything of that language just vaporizes. So we don't want that to happen to Eʋe. That it's important for all of us to see how best to help with this. So once again, Akpe, Dr. Forgive Eʋegbe, for this.
Yeah.
Thank you
Doctor.
very much indeed. Yeah. Dr. Dogbe will be very, very grateful.
Yeah. So so once again, please prepare our listeners and viewers. We'll be talking about this. Let's all put our heads together. How can we help these students so that every teaching will continue? And I can tell you myself, when I went to high school, there was no Eʋe teacher then, and what I did was I talked to the headmaster. I said I wanted to learn Eʋe. So they had to spend a few months to get a teacher of Eʋe, right? So that took some time for them to get these teachers, these two teachers to come and teach so many students. So if you don't have any teachers, then yeah, the language is gone. And there are a lot of places around here, Native Americans, who are working very hard to preserve their language. There's an article that I was just reading earlier today that's talking about how the Native American languages are disappearing at a very fast rate. And they are complaining that with the language disappearing, the culture is also following along. Dr. Forgive Eʋegbe.
Thanks again, Doc.
Okay.
All right.
Yo, Mariku, enya bubuarele miashi, emiako, akpereng ne miafe, nukola, klenya salao.
Akpe ko miedana mashama ba udure miang agbaha miapo mbona o yiji pepepe. Kanu vio mi strong miako afie mi avio de vio mi bano sagba. Nure karaka no nya yoyoko. Mi gava mi nrock bazama. When we are using the whiteboard, then it will be easy for us. Now we're just doing virtual. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, thank you. Akpanami.
All right.
Miaga akpe.
Miaga dogo.
Miaga dogo.
Akpebe miezonde miao.
Akpe kakaka.
Enyo. Akpanami. Ta miape ngia mi ogba yema. DZODOⴼE NUWO, everyday household items. Egba miape français ta o mava ota. Yeah, you meten do français ota. Ota jibe maybe da vero kle da na mia maybe all dona français ta ga keba obe français mia
Edo ni memeragbo.
egba momo do ni memeragbo ta More.
All right.
Okay. Yema.
Nyaga dogo.
Nyaga adogo.
Yeah.
Awo migrena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Migrena satana ba awo blo. Novio migrena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Migrena satana ba awo blo 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 Migrena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Migrena satana ba ao blowe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Migrena satana ba ao blowe. Awo migrena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Migrena satana ba awo blo 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 Migrena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Migrena satana ba awo blo Jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Migrena satana ba